Today I'm going to show you guys a trade that I took and exactly how I managed it, and we're getting started right now. What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey Rodriguez and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to trade using technical analysis and price action and all kind of other Forex related stuff, then make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. So I posted in the Signal group a little while ago an example of a little scalp that I took for 30 pips, how I entered on the 5-minute and targeted the hourly liquidity. And I asked you guys to, go in your charts and study that 32.90 level on an hourly basis and see why that was a level that I was targeting, and send your responses to me. So I took a look at everybody's responses, and I want to go ahead and go over why I took this trade and what that 32.90 level is. So just to clarify, whenever I took this trade, the market was right around this area here. And what I was looking at unfolding is the market could be forming a potential low right here. Now, the reason that it could be forming a potential low right there is we've had a significant move down on Thursday. Okay, clearing out the liquidity below these lows, these lows, these lows, and just coming shy of this low here. So we formed a higher low. How do I know that we formed a higher low? Once this candle here traded higher, that pretty much indicated that they more than likely are not going to go back down here for the remainder of the week, and will likely close the week somewheres within this range because Thursday had such a huge day. Anytime the market has notice the week just consolidated, Thursday we had a huge move down, so that was a huge injection of volatility within the market. So we don't want to go trying to trade right after this, especially if it is a Friday. Now, if this happened on a Monday and then it was a Tuesday, we would easily be able to sell this market into any trade back up into a resistance level here, here. Any of these levels we'd be able to sell this market if it was early in the week. But with it being late in the week, we can't do that. So just so you guys do know, this is a demo account. This was not a live account. I never take trades on Friday in a live account. This was just a little example to show you guys as a scalp, and I took it in a demo account. So let's flip back to the hourly chart and we'll talk about what I was targeting. So the 32.90 level is the level I was targeting, and the reason I was targeting this level here is because, again, we started forming this higher low right here. As the market's pushing up, that's indicating to me, we've likely formed the low for the week, and more than likely the day as well. So if we look at the market right here, we had this swing high, and the high came in at 1.3291. So I did 32.90 just because I want to account for the spread. And the market could sometimes just trade 1 pip shy of taking out the high and then reject. So I always take profit a few pips early. And you can see that the market did eventually trade up a little higher than 32.90 up into 32.96. So I'm cool with giving that 6 pips to the market when I took my profit here. So that was the target I was looking for. You can see it really clearly on a 15-minute basis, but you need to start from a higher time frame like an hourly to get the bigger picture. Okay, so you have to realize we had this low back here and the market was forming a higher low. Had the market broke below this low, we would have been looking for a retest of this level and then shorted it. Okay, but once the market formed a higher low and started pushing up, that indicated likely a higher low was forming, and the market will likely close within this range for the week and have a pretty small day, but it'll likely be a bullish day. Now, the way that I was able to enter this market is really simple. If you map out the different times, so you want to map out, your Asia session, your London session, and your New York session. Well, during London session, initially, as the market opens, so the market opens at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is all right. So right here, this red line is marking the market open. So you can see the market just pretty much consolidated. Through Asia session, we had a little bit of a push down. Then the market traded higher. Okay, so during London session when the market is trading higher, once we broke structure here, once this high was broken, this was a break of structure on a 5-minute time frame. So I already knew that I was targeting that 32.90 level as the liquidity. Okay, so any break of this level, what can I do? Buy the retest. Bought the retest, stop loss below this ICT bullish order block on a 5-minute basis. 9 pip stop loss. Okay. 30 pip target. 32 pips. Okay. And we're able to do this because we're working off of a higher time frame first. So if you're doing a swing trade, you would use the same concepts. You're just going to be working from a daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. Whereas for a scalp like this, we're working off of a 1 hour, 15, and a 5-minute, really. This is a really good thing for you guys to understand and look at in terms of what the market does on an hourly time frame and how it behaves when it does that thing. Okay, so remember, we formed a higher low. Anytime the market forms a higher low, we're expecting what? Potential rally. To form what? Either a higher high or a lower high. In this case, we formed a lower high relative to this swing high back here. Okay, so hope this video helps you guys, and if you have any questions, just send them to me in the group chat.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world. But I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a